Hi, everyone. Mike Kent from Medvacon and the Quality Grind podcast, here to bring you up to speed on some recent enforcement activity in regulated life sciences. The FDA is cracking down hard on misleading drug advertising across TV, social media, and digital platforms. Why? Because too many ads are pushing benefits while burying risks or skipping fair balance entirely. Influencer campaigns, compounded drug promos, and telehealth ads are specifically under the microscope. And as a result, we've seen hundreds of warning letters and cease and desist letters having already been issued. Now, if your brand is promoting prescription drug products without clear disclosures, you're a target. But here's the scary version. With the popularity of social media and AI, your products might be the subject of unfounded claims or non-compliant communication of health benefits and risks. Here's what we recommend firms do immediately. Number one, audit your existing ads, media, claims, and risk disclosures, especially for social media, influencers, telehealth websites, and broadcast spots. Are the risks clearly and prominently disclosed? Are you inadvertently claiming equivalency with FDA-approved products when you shouldn't? Number two, review all of your creative approval processes. Make sure that the legal and regulatory teams are involved early on, especially for digital, broadcast, and influencer content. Number three, monitor agency guidance and rulemaking. The FDA is actively working on changing the adequate provision standard and also deploying technology like AI to detect violations. And fourth, and most importantly, ramp up your oversight. Make sure everyone who communicates about your products understands the requirements for fair balance, disclosure, and risk presentation. And while wrangling a TikTok influencer into a training session isn't likely to happen, your organization will likely have to demonstrate to FDA that it's doing all it can to minimize the spread of unfounded or non-compliant information about your products. In short, we're seeing a re-energized FDA enforcement posture. For years, enforcement appeared to be on decline, but now the agency is sending a strong message. Drug ads must be truthful, balanced, and transparent from all channels. Remember, the GMPs defined labeling with a very broad brush, and that brush just got wider. Thanks for watching. For more information or guidance on how to proceed, reach out to us or visit our website at www.medvacon.com.